Hey, what is up guys? This is Chris and I'm back with more Everyday RC. And it's a great Sunday morning here in the Everyday RC workshop. And I'm back with part 8 of the TLR 8Ight-T 4.0 Nitro Truggy build series. That's right. And for those of you that have been following along with the build series, you'll know that I completed the truck here. And I'm just about ready to start breaking in the engine. But the last step was to get the body painted. Now, I usually like to paint my own bodies, but I was contacted by an amazing artist, and it's right here in this box, and I am so excited to share this with you guys, and I'm even more excited to finally see this in person for myself. Now, I shared across Instagram and Facebook and on the community tab of YouTube, showing you guys the box and seeing if you guys could guess what the package is. And by the look of that shark over there, that could give away some hints as to who painted it and where it comes from. Now, I was going to paint this body myself, but I was contacted by Marcus Fuller over at SHARKFAT RC Customs in the UK. Now, I'm in New York in the United States, and I was contacted by Marcus, and he wanted the opportunity to paint the body for this Nitro Truggy. And after seeing his work and been following him for a long time now, I definitely felt like he was a worthy artist to paint this body for me. Now, I'm not going to get too much into it, but a while ago, a few years ago, I had a very bad experience with a painter here, not too far from me. I'm in New York, and there was a painter over in New Jersey who really did me wrong, and I gave him the opportunity to paint a MAXAMPS 5T body, and I had an extremely bad experience with him. Really did not like the finished product of that, and he still has not to this day gotten back to me or tried to make the situation right. So I really got burned by that painter, and this is going way back to then. Marcus had seen that video, and I guess he really felt bad, and he wanted the opportunity one day to paint the body for me. And I've dealt with a few painters through the years. One of another talented painter that I've dealt with is Barry Gamble, and he's local to me, and he's always done excellent work for me. And this person, Marcus Fuller over at SHARKFAT RC Customs, who's located all the way across the pond in the UK, wanted the opportunity to paint this body for me, and I felt like I should give him a shot. And I can't wait to unbox this thing. I'm going to share some of his work with you guys in this video, and you know, I was a little skeptical. I thought, you know, it might be a little much sending the package all the way over to the UK and waiting for it to get done. But I'll tell you one thing, guys. As of right now, I've had nothing but a awesome, positive experience. For those of you that are here in the United States, I definitely suggest using him, giving him a shot. It was very reasonable to send the body over to the UK using the United States Postal Service. It cost me around $20 to send this over to the UK for his services. The package got there undamaged, no problems at all. Marcus took a few weeks to paint it. He let the paint cure. He packaged it up perfectly, and as you can see, it arrived to my home in perfect condition. The box is not damaged. So without any more talking from me, I'm going to put you guys on the tripod, and we're going to open this package together and see the finished product. Now, I have seen pictures of it, but I have not seen it in person. So I'm so excited about this. Let's unbox this amazing body that he did for me, and let's put it on the Truggy, and let's just see how awesome it looks. Let's do it, guys. Make it happen. All right, guys, let's get this thing unboxed. I am so excited to see this in person. Oh man, as you can see, it's shipped to Everyday RC, New York, USA, from SHARKFAT RC Customs. Oh man, All right, I'm going to unbox this very carefully here. All right, so let's open this up. Oh man, I'm so excited. So excited. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Been waiting a little while. Marcus got it done pretty quick for me. I think it was only over there in the UK for about 2 weeks. He really is a perfectionist and a true professional when it comes to painting. Sometimes I feel like he's a little too hard on himself, and you know, I think he just does amazing work, and I have full confidence in his artistic abilities. So I told him that I wanted a beast tearing out of the shell, and I gave him free artistic expression. Oh, it smells like fresh paint. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, and look at how it's packaged here. We have some nice bubble wrap. Look at this. Look at this added protection. This is a true professional. Look at this. Look at that, guys. Look, this is a true professional. He waited an extra 2 or 3 days to let the body cure the paint so we wouldn't have any damage. Oh, here it is. Now look at the packaging here. This is how a true professional works. Make sure that his beautiful artwork is not damaged at all. Look at this. We have plenty of bubble wrap in here. I really like this stuff. This is really, really nice. This is really nice, and I'll probably reuse this, Marcus, to send you another body, because after the work that I've seen him do, I definitely want to have more work done by him. All right, guys, so here it is. I'm going to be extremely careful opening this. All right, no damage at all. Nothing's crushed. Everything is good to go. So great job on the packaging, Marcus. Oh, he got me some stickers as well. Look at this. Another layer of bubble wrap. True professional, true professional. Thank you, Marcus. And I can't wait to see this in person. He sent me photos. I wanted it to be a little bit of a surprise, but he's so professional. He wanted to make sure I saw the finished product, make sure that I was happy with it, and I was blown away. I was absolutely blown away by the work that he had done for me. So, wow. Wow, this thing is like quadruple wrapped. Great job, Marcus. Great job. And I haven't even seen it yet. I know the suspense is building, guys, but it's going to be worth seeing the finished product. And he really worked with me. I told him I wanted a beast tearing out of the body, and I wanted it personalized for everyday RC. And he did exactly what I asked and exceeded my expectations. So I'm going to be very, very careful with this. This is how a true professional works. Look at this. This thing is so protected that I don't think there's going to be any issues. Look at this. Even more bubble wrap on the inside. Oh, it's autographed on the inside. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Are you ready for this? Oh. Wow. Wow. I know that I say that a lot, guys. Check it out. Autographed by SHARKFAT RC Customs. Look at that. He's got the SHARKFAT logo on the inside. All right, guys, check it out. So as you can see, I have the beast on the front, the blue beast, because that's the theme I wanted to go with on here. I know there's a little bit of a glare right now, but check this out. Check the beast on the front of the body, tearing out of the front of the shell. And he was telling me that he wanted it to be like if it was a car, that the engine was tearing out of the body. But as you can see, look what he did here. Because as you know, I went with the LRP X32. So he made the blue effect here. This is where the fuel tank goes. So it'll be burning off that nitro fuel. And On the LRP X32, it has a checkerboard pattern on the cooling head. So right where this cooling head is going to be coming out, he went with the checkerboard pattern right there, tearing out of the body. Absolutely incredible work. Now that's what I call custom. And the side, personalized for everyday RC, with the beast's claws tearing through the body. Oh man, check it out, guys. Amazing work, Marcus. I'm blown away. I'm absolutely blown away. I got to get some closer videos of this. I want to show this to you guys a little bit closer with the camera and really show you some of the fine detailing on here. Wow. It's absolutely amazing, Marcus. The shading. Excellent work, my friend. Excellent work. So let me show you guys this a little bit closer. The video right here with the glare is not doing this justice, so let me get it on the truck and give you some shots of this on the truck, guys. Let's do this. Wow. Thank you, Marcus. Okay guys, here it is mounted on the truck. Does that not look absolutely amazing? And I was so excited when I unboxed it that I almost forgot to share his message here. And as you can see, he sent me a message right here from SHARKFAT RC Customs. It says, "Hey Chris, hope the shell has arrived safely. Any problems, please give me a shout. Thanks, Marcus." With condiments. And he's got a picture of some mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup on there. And Marcus is a true perfectionist. So I understand how he feels because I'm a bit of a perfectionist myself, and he absolutely exceeded my expectations. So thank you once again, Marcus over at SHARKFAT RC Customs. If you guys want some insane, beautiful, perfect RC work, artistry done for you, I suggest you contact him. He does a wide range of painting styles and RC vehicles, so he can do anything from a 5th scale all the way down to scale vehicles, hard shell bodies, and he's an awesome, talented painter. So thank you once again, Marcus. I can't wait to deal with you again and have some more work done. Go contact SHARKFAT RC Customs, and I'm going to finish off this video with a couple of shots of the truck and the finished paint job here. And I'm also going to share some of the work that he's done in the past so you guys can get a taste of the kind of work that he does. And that's about it for me today, guys. This was part 8 of the TLR 8Ight-T 4.0 Nitro Truggy build series. There's a lot to come for this truck. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this. I know a lot of you are waiting to see the engine getting broken in and some running videos. But I do have something else up my sleeve, and you guys are going to have to be a little bit more patient with me because I have some more things in store for this Truggy and things that are definitely going to help out the Nitro Truggy community. So stay tuned for that as well. Okay, so you're going to have to be a little bit more patient, but I guarantee you guys that this engine will be getting broken in. There'll be plenty of running videos, and I will be sharing a lot more in the future. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you're all making it happen in your RC worlds out there. And for now, this is Chris, the Everyday RC Guy, saying thanks for watching. Make it happen.